Before I let you go, you and I have been working in the context of CMMC Professionals Network to try to get our members more hands-on training, CMMC ecosystem, help them be able to figure out how to configure the settings for CMMC and so forth. I know we may be on the brink of announcing some good news.
I would say in the near future, your community will have access to modular-based training that will give them the ability to learn up on certain domains and be able to play that on demand. So for instance, if you're trying to learn about access controls and how to implement or test access controls for an M365 customer, or how to build in those access control requirements, you'll be able to use this modular-based training in order to do it. The training is designed for folks that have already sat through a CCP class, because we're not going to show the 171 basics or the CMMC basics. Instead, we're going to talk about, okay, now that we know we need to do this, now that we know what the program is, now that we know all that, we want to know how to do it on the Microsoft platform, or how to verify that's in place. That's what this training will achieve. And hopefully very soon, anyone listening to this webinar will have access to that data.
Very exciting. Oh, that's breaking news. All right. So
right
Justin,
are you struggling with CMMC compliance? Feeling stuck and uncertain about your career path in cybersecurity? Imagine having a clear path, expert mentorship, and a supportive community to help you master CMMC and thrive in your career. If you're just looking for another certification, this may not be for you. But if you're committed to making an impact, keep watching. Welcome to CPN, a mission-driven community empowering cybersecurity professionals with the resources, real-world experience, and mentorship needed for success in the CMMC ecosystem. At CPN, we focus on quality training, meaningful mentorship, and a strong network that prepares you to support the defense industrial base with confidence. Join us today and start advancing in your career with the guidance you deserve. Gain insights from experts, build hands-on experience, and connect with a network that supports your growth. With CPN, you're never alone in your CMMC journey.